Hey everyone, it's Jordan and Barry here, better known as the Brownstone Boys. We are so excited because today we are at one of our finished projects that we call Lights Camera Reno, and today is Style Day. Style Day is a lot of fun for us because what we do is we style the entire house and get it ready for photographs. Something that we're doing today is switching out a light fixture.
So we have this gorgeous light fixture from Renovation. It's called the Brindle, and we're replacing a light fixture that's been in the space for a long time and it doesn't fit in with the design. We're gonna take you through a step-by-step process of changing this light fixture, so let's jump in and do it.
First things first, safety. Cut the power at your home's breaker box to ensure its lights out for real.
Remove the old fixture with care, ensuring not to damage the wires. A second hand is key here.
Align the new mounting bracket to the junction box and secure it with screws.
For the wiring, match the colors, black to black, white to white, and then connect the neutral. Use wire nuts for a secure connection, then arrange the wires neatly inside the box.
Position your new fixture onto the bracket. Follow the manufacturer's guide here. It's your roadmap to a successful installation.
Install your bulbs and any decorative trim.
Now it's power back on and let there be light.
Let's get styling. So don't be intimidated to change a light fixture. It really is easy to do. Just make sure you take the proper precautions. Watch this video again if you need to get the hang of it. It really is something that can transform your space completely. This fixture looks so nice in the space. What we love about it is that it is elongated in the same direction as the table. It kind of spreads the light over a larger area. We also love the asymmetry of it. It makes it very interesting to look at. And it also has this beautiful black and brassy gold two-tone. So perfect for this space.
Absolutely. The space looks complete. It looks ready for photos, which we got to get to. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Bye everyone.